Hi, my name is Vanessa and I am talking about of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is the fourth richest person on the planet. He is the most famous investor in the world and Berkshire Hathaway owner. He was born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930 in the Howard Buffett family. His father, Howard Homan Buffett, was an American businessman, investor, and politician. When Warren's father got a seat in the United States Congress, the Howard Buffett family moved to Washington, D.C. There, Warren felt lonely, so he started reading his dad's investment books. When he was 11 years old, he was already investing in the stock market. A Thousand Ways to Earn $1,000 was the book that encouraged Warren to work selling coke on the street and delivering newspaper. He studied in the University of Nebraska and earned his bachelor's degree in business administration. Then he entered to the University of Columbia. There he met to Benjamin Graham, author of the book The Intelligent Investor, an investment guide of the most famous, and the importance of value investing is explained in the book. Warren followed the philosophy of this book and began to apply it. So he began to have a Greek success, and at 32 he had already become a millionaire. He said, in 1965, Warren bought Berkshire Hathaway, which was almost bankrupt, following the philosophy that he had already applied before he decided to invest in this company. After a few years, the CEO of the company wanted to buy the shares for Warren, but in the middle of the deal, he tried to trick Warren with the intention of stealing a percentage of the amount of money for each action. So Warren bought the company and fired the CEO. Warren changed his philosophy and pushed the company forward, but his success was when he bought insurance companies and continued investing. He wakes up at 6:45 a.m. When he goes to his office, he buys something at McDonald's. He also likes to drink Coke with his McDonald's breakfast. When he is in his office, he spends 8% of his time reading. I read around 6 or 6 hours a day, he said. In the evening, he likes to play his favorite game, Bridget. He plays Bridget around 12 hours a week. And that's it. Thank you.